Yay! Good news! Government employees can look forward to higher wages as early as August, according to Budget Secretary Amina Panagdaman on Monday. Secretary Panagdaman stressed that the national and local budget circular has been signed and will be published soon. This means that agencies can immediately adjust as early as August 2024. Pwede na po silang mag-adjust agad-agad po, Pangandaman said. However, the department had noted that the exact date for the implementation will depend on how quickly the agencies can calculate and implement the new wages. So, ibig sabihin po nito ay nakadepende na po sa agencies kung mabilis lang ito nilang ma-implement. So, nakadepende na po daw yun sa ating mga agencies. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. issued Executive Order 64 in August, which raised government salaries for civilian personnel in the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, constitutional commissions and offices, and government-owned or controlled corporations. So, good news po iyon sa atin bilang mga empleyado dahil as of August, madadagdagan na po yung ating sweldo, pero hindi po pantay-pantay ang yung pag-implement kasi nakadepende po yon sa ating mga agencies. Kasi baka marami yung yung mga empleyado, so matatagal-tagalan, maghintay-hintay lang muna. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.